gonna buy bunker busters, bro.
I got you, baby. Alright, let's go. Oh, I got more bread. What the fuck? Alright, let's go. I have a utility box and a counter UAV. No, where's the sub, bro?
In prison, in prison. One shot.
Moving this way.
Picked up, pushing right side.
Alright, I'm going prison. On me, on me, on me. Two on me, prison. Oh my god, there's two right there, there's two right there.
No. Another guy up top. Up top 10, he's gonna push us.
He doesn't have the goal.
Shit.
You guys wanna go up top? Behind me, behind me, behind me. Where am I getting shot from, bro? You got me?
More enemies, enemies, more enemies, more enemies.
Oh, resin, resin.
Resin him.
I'm ready. I'm about to heal. Where do you guys wanna go? You guys wanna run top prison or no?
Yeah, we
Enemy
can.
soldier incoming.
Let's go.
Top.
Oh my god, Isaiah.
Are we going top prison or what?
Smoke
Smoke
grenade
right
here.
there.
I'm gonna pick that up. You guys, wait, right?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Move, 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 move.
I don't see anyone top, bro. You guys wanna go to loadout or no?
Yeah, I'm down.
Get our perks? Alright, I'm
Yeah,
going.
we gotta have to buy, actually. But fuck, let's go get a loadout.
Good, all good. I'm already here. I'm mad far, actually. And there's people down here, like over here. Are you guys coming here or are you just buying it?
Somebody here. There's a person on you, Abdullah.
Flanking here.
I hear him. On me? One shot, bro.
Down? Oh,
Yeah, he shit on me, bro. I was hip firing, just killing him, bro. You got him?
Target down.
End him, end him. End him so I can.
Marking the rest of
Yep, alright. I'm just gonna spawn and grab my shit.
how many?
Please stay up.
Deep back, a bullet.
And behind you guys. I'm landing on you guys.
Enemies are dropping into the
Yo,
area.
landing, Isaiah, landing.
Where?
I need help, On live mark.
First floor, second floor.
I don't know where you went now.
Fuck, bro. Pussy.
Oh, I have them all one shot over here, bro.
Isaiah behind us.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Enemy squad talking to you. Stay sharp.
I'm getting lit up, man.
Bro, please let me get my fucking perks. That's all I want. Behind me.
Why can't I? Dude, I fucking hate this game, bro.
Isaiah, should I stay here so you can land?
Yeah, they're pushing, they're gonna be ironing that, bro.
Stand by for redeployment.
Grab my
Only
shit.
25 remain.
Grab my shit, we're good.
Broke that
Alright.
kid.
On me. Oh my god, bro. He just comes out of nowhere, bro. What the fuck?
And are you good?
Yeah, I'm gonna rape them.
Squad mates redeployed.
Hey, go get your guns.
Just gonna land on my stuff again, bro. That shit is so annoying,
Move
man.
it.
Yo, where did these kids go? Did they rotate?
Hey, Abdullah, just come
I'm
pick
getting
this up.
shot from the docks, bro.
From the docks?
Yes, bro.
You're good.
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
How we gonna play it?
I love Mark.
Oh, let's hit him up. One was on the left somewhere.
I'm hitting out the window. I'm hitting out top. Hitting our roof. Hitting our roof.
Head down at the
The
dogs.
rest of that squad on your tac map. Go
Yeah,
get hunting.
One roof.
Is at this building, at this building. I just landed in. Roof.
Ripped them.
Him down.
Shoot the outside of it.
Copy. Phoenix 2-3 on approach. Strike inbound.
Outside. One shot behind you, Isaiah. Behind you. One shot in the building.
Behind me.
Black skin. Down. Is a utility box? Should I drop it or no? Do you guys need it?
Yeah, you can drop it. Take it.
Fuck you, bro.
Bro, how did you not get that?
sale is active.
I'm going up top again.
Prices are adjusted.
By
Oh,
UAV.
I'm by UAV.
Get in
I
advance.
got it.
Requesting recon at my location. Need recon
Can't buy bunker busters, bro.
I got UAV. Alright, let's go. Oh, I got more bread. What the fuck? Alright, let's go. I have a utility box and a counter UAV. No, where's the sub, bro?
In prison. One shot.
Moving this way.
Picked up. Pushing right side.
Alright, I'm going prison. On me. Two on me, prison. Oh my god, there's two right there.
Down. Another guy up top. Up top 10, he's gonna push us.
He doesn't have the goal.